So I'm done mining for the season, and I'm going out on the road, buying and selling gold, hook up with a few of you, maybe do a little bit of metal detecting. But while I'm on the road, I got to clean the stuff that I get. Check this out. Mira. Mira. Necesito limpio. And Pepsi Cola. All right, mira, necesito limpio. Okay, 2 horas. Dos horas cuando conducir. All right, 2 hours in the tumbler. Let's have a look. All right, so tumbling for 2 hours. Let's have a look at it. Get rid of the dirty, oof, look at that. Oh my God. Unbelievable. That is sick. Mira. Mira. Whew. And that is secret tip number 103 on how to clean gold. All right, here's the second batch. Dirty. Here, let's look at some of this. Bad lighting. There, that's how dirty it is. Still looks good, but dirty. So I'm going to clean it up, see how it looks.